I'm just gonna put it in a bun. I just will make sure I bring some pins with me. Hey guys, I'm vlogging today. Today is Monday the 4th of July. I'm getting out to the beach, but I'm running late, and my sister is coming over later on, so it's like I'm just like a little bit low-key stressed because I want to go to the beach. I haven't gone since I went on my vacation to Miami, and don't get on me, I know I have to put my part 2 and 3 Miami vlog up. It's coming, but I have to rush to the beach to come back. People will be like, well, why don't you just stay? No, I've been in the house shooting content, I want to get out to the beach. So even if I'm able to stay for 2 hours, I'm going to go. But I'm just going to vlog today, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm going to Brighton Beach, which is in Brooklyn, which is actually near where I used to live. Yeah, so yesterday I washed my hair. I did a hair update for you guys to show you my hair improving from the chlorine damage in January. Check out all the links. Everything is in the description. But I washed and deep conditioned, and I cut my hair again yesterday because I'm gradually cutting off the damaged ends that happened from chlorine. Check all the information in the description. So yeah, I'm gonna take this out now and get ready. I already have my swimsuit on that I made. I'll show you when I get to the beach. These are one of my designs that I made. And yeah, I gotta get my hair done though, right now. So this is it all out. It was a braid out with flexi rods at the end. I just have to style it. I don't know how I want to style it. I'm short on time. I'm like, oh. Okay, so here's what I got. If it decides to get poofy, I'm just gonna put it in a bun. I just will make sure I bring some pins with me. Stressful day, long day, and it hasn't even started already. This is my outfit of the day, and this is my hair. I just put it up, little updo, because it's the beach. This is what it's looking like. I just tried to make some sort of an updo. I don't even know how the back looks. Today is definitely one of those days where I'm just having to push through. Yeah, because I'm off schedule and I don't like that. But I hope I get to spend enough time on the beach. We will see. We're going to make the best of it. We got this. We got this. God is good. Okay, guys, I'm done. Let's go. I'm really hoping I get to have some beach time. I'm just like wanting to get to the beach and like getting upset in case I don't get to spend a lot of time. But you know what, I'm just gonna relax. I'm gonna do the best that I can. What else can I do, right? It is what it is. Live in the moment. Don't anticipate. I know my sister has to meet me back here because she wanted to see the fireworks, but we'll get it done. We'll get it done. So guys, I was supposed to take another train, but it wasn't coming. I I really want to go to Brighton Beach, but I'm on the Coney Island Beach side. It's the same beach, but Brighton is such a big difference. Like, it's much more calm. It's not a whole lot of riffraff. On the Coney Island side, it's a lot of riffraff. So I'm gonna see if I can walk across the boardwalk, but I'm short on time right now. So, but I gotta get back to the city to meet my family. I should have planned much better. It's just one of those days. Alright, so what I remember, I think I could take the Q train to go head towards Brighton Beach. I really don't want to be around Coney Island Beach. Like I said, it's the same beach, but it's a total difference. Trust me. I just missed the train, and the next one does not come until 9 minutes. Oh, I'm not gonna have much time on that beach. It's crazy. Okay, I made it to Brighton Beach. That train took forever, and then I didn't even end up staying on that train because another train came. They're like, okay, this one's gonna leave first. So we're here. I just gotta walk to the actual boardwalk, but this is the train station. So I made it, guys. But now I have to use the bathroom, so I have to go. It's like, some just don't want me to go to the beach today. I had to get me an icy from back there. Because that's what you do when you come to the beach, you get ices. Now let's get to this beach. I'm probably going to be on there for like 10 minutes. Literally. Hopefully maybe at least 45 minutes, I'm hoping. Let's see. I found a spot to sit down and eat my icy. I don't even know what time it is. I got my swimsuit under. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to take. I'll try to take a few pictures, but I just know I feel so good when I put my feet down on the sand. It just feels so good. If you ever heard of earthing, look up the term earthing. Your feet touch that sand. That's all I care about. Look, coconut icy. Let me show you my view. Alright, so let me set up, see if I can finish this icy up, and see if I can set up my tripod. I have it in my bag. I have some lemonade with me. Homemade lemonade. You see the, well, limeade uses limes. You see the limes inside. And here's my tripod. Let me finish up my ice tea. laying down. I don't have that much time. My battery is running out. The beach is full, but I'm just happy I got here. I'm gonna come back, but I got the content that I needed. I took some quick pics, and I should be on my way back soon. My battery is low, but yeah, I'm here looking at the sky. Look. Yep, here's my Coach bag, my water bottle with my lemonade. Yeah, so make the best of it. Someone like you do lemons, make lemonade or limeade.